Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add product photos automatically with Mixo AI. Let's get started. First, open the Mixo AI and log into your account. Then here in the main prompt box, enter your website name and detailed description of your product or service so the AI knows what the image to use. You need to be specific about your idea. Then after done typing your prompt, you can now click next. Then here choose your goal and click after typing or choosing your goal, you can click Generate My Site, and the Mixo AI will automatically source or generate relevant product photos that match your description and insert them into your website layout. You can review the photos, you can replace, rearrange, or resize them if needed before publishing. And that's it. Your product photos are ready and added automatically by Mixo AI in just seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.